What if there was an all-natural extract of spinach that took away all of your cravings for unhealthy foods? What if this extract cost less than $1 a day? What if you could feel the effects of this extract the first time you took it? What if taking this extract meant you never had to diet again? I read an article in First for Women about a spinach extract that was discovered in Sweden at Lund University. Scientists found that if they extracted thylakoids from the green leaves of spinach and ingested this extract with a small amount of healthy fats, it triggered a satiety hormone in the brain, or in other words, it tells your stomach that you're not hungry. It was found to especially work on sweets, salty foods, and other unhealthy cravings. It was also found to reduce hunger. This incredible extract is called Appethyl. You only need to take it once a day. It works for up to 8 hours. And the best thing? It costs as low as $1 a day. After several clinical trials around the world, here is a list of benefits from this amazing extract. It assists in glucose balance, aids with proper cholesterol levels, acts as a probiotic, prolongs uptake of carbohydrates, delays absorption of fats, promotes body reduction, reduces waist circumference, cuts hunger, reduces cravings, and you can feel the effects as soon as day 1. The longer you take it, the greater the effect. Appethyl is an all-natural, pesticide-herbicide-free extract. It has 9 human clinical trials completed. It's 100% from spinach, no side effects, safe and effective for all ages. It's an extremely healthy dose of greens. It's a healthy alternative to diet pills and diets. And the acute effect can be felt as soon as day 1. All of this for as little as $1 a day. Visit www.prospinach.com to learn more. You will also find a coupon on the homepage that will save you 20% off your first order. It's guaranteed to work or your money back, and always free shipping. With Appethyl, you never need to speak this 4-letter word again.